Okay, YouTube, are you ready to see the fastest engine swap on the planet? Let me make sure I can do this, because I want this to be a world record. Alright? 3, 2, 1, go. Done. What's up, guys? Chad here. And guess what we're doing today? Hidden MiniSports. Today, we're going to be putting all billet parts in this brand new Harbor Freight Predator 212 engine. We've got an arc billet rod, billet flywheel, 22-pound valve springs, and a hot 265 grind cam. We're gonna make this bad boy rev to the moon, make about double the horsepower it's supposed to make. I gotta tear this thing apart, get it all broke down, and then start installing. But something else we're gonna do today, so we're gonna go old school, and we're only gonna use hand tools, because sometimes it just feels better to feel what you're doing.
That's what she said.
Alright, this is gonna take some time to remember exactly. Come on, chair. What needs to be done here. Let's put the new stuff up kind of out of the way. Let's start where I remember. Well, that's it. How many pieces can you turn a Predator engine into? All of them. Reverse order after lunch. Alright, now that everything's tore apart, we are going to start by finding the oil clearance between the crank and the new rod. I've already got the bearings installed into the cap and the rod. What we're going to do is we're going to take this rag and the rod and lock it into the vise, hang the crank in it, do the torquing sequence on these bolts, and check it with some plastic gauge. So, let's get after that. Okay, YouTube, are you ready to see the fastest engine swap on the planet? Let me make sure I can do this, because I want this to be a world record. Alright? 3, 2, 1, go. Done.
Engine is put back in. Everything is ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and give it a start. It all looks pretty well. Like, look at that. It's basically factory right now. Chad made a nice new bracket. We got a muffler on it. We got GoPros that are falling off. Air filter. All kinds of good stuff. So let's go ahead and give that a start. Throttle fixed. I wish you guys could like smell it. So I think there's a mixture of race gas slash E85 in there, and it smells amazing. It smells like it's gonna die. But anyways, what I was saying, it smells really good. Adjusted the idle 2 down. So there's a nice old throaty cam in there. That's why it's got that rough idle. And we're gonna see if it runs. Hopefully it's pretty good. The compression's pretty high, and I'm gonna go give it some test drives, and hopefully I don't kill myself, because we basically tripled the horsepower on this thing. Went from like 6 to 18-ish. So let's find out. Dang. This thing is freaking fast. It's gotta be like 50 some or 60 miles per hour. I gotta get out of GPS for this. That was pretty good. I'm like 215, 220 on a beer day. So, real good. Well, man. That's that. That thing is so freaking fast now. Thank you, Chad, for doing it. If you guys want to build a motor, I guess, hit us up. We'll do it. It's not too expensive. Chad's a master at it now. He loves doing it. But stay tuned. In probably a few weeks, there'll be a nice big video of us racing at my diaper party. We're actually going to Ben's house. He's got trails through his woods and fields, so we're going to have like 8 pit bikes, and we're going to have a few pop and go racing to the fields and woods and have all kinds of fun. So I'm sure that'll be a good video to watch. But hey, we'll see you next time, guys.